Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mitch with the BMORETALKS YouTube channel and podcast, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make two different stick and poke devices. So just sit back and chill while I get set up and we'll begin. So what you guys are going to need for this specific one is a roll of tattoo grip tape and then a fresh tattoo needle. Alright, brand new. I'm using a 3-round, but it's up to you what you guys use, alright? But for what I need it for, my application, I need a 3-round. So what you're going to do is take your tattoo needle, put it in your hand, see where you're going to be comfortable at with poking. Alright, so I'm about right here. So that means I'm going to bend it right about here. Alright, just like that. Next, after you've done bent your tattoo needle, you're going to take your grip tape and you're going to build yourself a handle or a grip. Alright guys, so when you get to about right here, stop. Just remember this piece right here. What you're going to do with it is bend it all the way down, like so. Then you're going to take your grip tape, you're going to wrap a couple more wraps around that as well. Alright, once you get to about right here, if that's where you're comfortable at, go ahead and rip it off. Once again, be careful you don't poke yourself. Make sure your grip tape is all sealed up and everything. This one looks good. Alright. And that's what it'll look like when you're finished. Alright, now if you want to, you can still build this up if you want. It's totally up to you. But whenever I use stick and pokes and I use regular tattoo needles, this is what I do. Now the cool thing about these stick and pokes before we go on to the next one is that they actually sell a mold. Alright, and you can take regular tattoo needles and put them inside this mold. I have the link for it and it's in the description below. If you hit that link and you buy it through that link, that gives me a commish towards our channel so we can keep going with these DIYs. So it'd be greatly appreciated if you did that. But let's go on to the next one. What you're going to do is take your sewing needle and your thread, and you're going to take your thread and put it through the end of your needle. Alright, then after you do that, pull the piece that you just pulled through that needle out probably about that far. Alright, next you're going to start wrapping the thread around the needle. Keep the thread tight. Some people don't go all the way down. I go down right to about there. Alright, probably about the width of a nickel. If you feel like that's too much, you can pull it down a little bit because it hasn't been tightened yet. Alright guys, now after you do your 3, 4, maybe even 5 passes up and down, bring it up to the end here, rip it off, and there you go. So now that's two different ways to make two different devices for stick and poke. Cool thing about it is if you guys need tattoo grip tape, or you guys need tattoo needles, or if you guys need the real official molding kit for the stick and poke, I put all those links in the description below. Alright, they're Amazon links, and if you purchase any of those items, I will get a commission towards that, and I bring it right back to the BMORETALKS YouTube channel, and it goes right into the videos. So, hand for hand, help for help, you know what I mean? But as always, I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.